video, we are doing some unboxing of some PR packages, some giveaways, and some TikTok finds. Keep on watching. So it's unboxing time. Some of these things, I have no clue what they are, especially the giveaways. So I'm definitely excited for that. So let's get right into it. So first up, we have a TikTok find. This is the infamous Unbrush. I cannot wait to try this out. I've heard so much about it, been seeing this everywhere. So stay tuned for a video for this. So excited to try this out. Next up is a giveaway that I won from Easy Braid. So I won this super cute tote bag. And then inside of the box, we got a thank you card. We got some braiding hair. So we got baby blue, which not sure how I'm gonna rock this, but we're gonna make it work. And then we also have the color 144, which is like a blondish color, which I'll definitely be using. And then also in the box, we have the color 1B. Thank you so much, Easy Braid. Next up is my Sephora purchase. One thing I love about purchasing and ordering from Sephora is you always get some samples. And in my samples, I got the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I also got this super cute Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Microfibers. And then I got Ole Henriksen's Banana Bright Eye Cream. So what I purchased from Sephora is two fragrances. The K. Ali Eden Sparkling Lychee. This is the small one. This is the 0.34 fluid ounce. I'm gonna unbox this. And then I also got a favorite, Valentino Donna Born Aroma. Absolutely love this fragrance. So let's open these up. Now this K. Ali, I did smell it in the Sephora store. Let's do a little smell check together. And I actually probably should have ordered the bigger bottle, which I probably will. Absolutely love this packaging. Super cute. I can smell it already. Like, I didn't even spray it, and I smell it already. It's giving sweet. It's giving pretty. It's giving, oh. Love it. And then Valentino Donna Born in Roma. You know, you know. Absolutely love this. Love, love, love this. So if you haven't tried these fragrances yet, visit your local Sephora. Next up are some more fragrances. These are from Dossier. Got 3 fragrances, and tell me your favorite fragrance without telling me your favorite fragrance. All 3 are the Ambre Saffron. Baccarat Rouge, who? If you love that Baccarat Rouge, then you definitely need this. So this is the packaging. Comes with a little insert with all of the notes. And this beauty here, turn around. This beauty here is a favorite. Clearly, I got 3 of them. So I absolutely love this fragrance. And it definitely smells just like the Baccarat Rouge. The top notes are saffron, orange blossom, middle notes, jasmine, plum, cedarwood, base notes, oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. Absolutely love this little magnetic top is just so cute to me. Love the packaging. This scent, if you've never tried Dossier before and you're trying to figure out what scent should you try first, this is it. Thank me later. Okay, the next 3 unboxings are from some giveaways that I won. These all actually came in the same giveaway, so I'm so excited to open them up because I have no idea what's inside these packages. So the first box is from Taylor Beauty. So this box comes with an insert with some information on the brand. Comes with this super cute pouch that says making mini moves. And then inside we have the lotion kit. So we have strawberry avocado, coconut kiwi, and peach. So excited about trying these out, and I'm also doing a giveaway with this brand, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so also in the box from Taylor Beauty was a mango passion fruit lotion, small bottle, orange peach mango, sounds delicious, and then strawberry banana smoothie. These are super cute to go in your purse, travel size, super cute. I got one. It is the papaya pineapple. So the next package in the giveaway is from Mish Beauty. So it came with these 2 inserts. It's the owner, founder. Got a lot of goodies in the box. See what we got. So we got a setting spray. We got some nail color. We got some lip shine, lip balm. Got some more nail color. Got some lip liners. Some more polish. Ooh, we got a manicure set. And we got a sheer glow primer. So excited to try all of these out. And last but not least from this giveaway is from Eden Body Works. So let's get into it. Okay, from the Peppermint Tea Tree line, we have the clarifying shampoo and the detangling conditioner. Definitely excited about these. Okay, from the Lavender Aloe line, we have the moisturizing co-wash, the smoothing gel, and the anti-breakage deep conditioner. Haven't tried this line yet, so I'm definitely excited about these. And last but not least, from the Hibiscus Honey line, we have a sample size of the Hydration Custard. Thank you so much to the 3 brands in this giveaway. So excited for all of these goodies that I received. Stay tuned for some videos featuring these products. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.